How can you save your life and live better? Why the Mediterranean diet is the best in the world. Hello, my friends. Today, we're diving into why the Mediterranean diet is often hailed as the best diet in the world. First off, the Mediterranean diet is vibrant fruits and veggies, hearty whole grains, and healthy fats like olive oil. It's more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle that's been linked to amazing health benefits. Heart health. Studies show it reduces the risk of heart disease. Those healthy fats and omega-3 from fish and lifesavers. Brain boost. It's great for brain health, reducing the risk of cognitive decline and improving memory. Weight management. This diet helps you manage your weight effectively without feeling deprived. Longevity. People who follow the Mediterranean diet tend to live longer, healthier lives. Anti-inflammatory. Packed with anti-inflammatory foods like nuts, seeds, and olive oil, it's great for reducing inflammation. Enjoy meals with family and friends, savor each bite, and make it a part of your daily routine. So, if you are looking for a tasty, healthy, and sustainable way to eat, give the Mediterranean diet a try. Your body and taste buds will thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more tips, and let me know in the comment what diet do you prefer and why. See you next time.